Hey, welcome to the Hilton Vacation Club, the historic Powhatan, Williamsburg. We're going to tour a two-bedroom suite and also show you the manor. I will also give you some insight on what the property has to offer, and at the end, I will give you my honest opinion after staying here two different times. We stayed here in early winter and 4th of July week of the same year. So we have experienced both slow and the busy time. The original manor in front of us right now still stands today, and you can walk through it and around it. The original interior was destroyed in the Civil War, but the family restored it shortly after. Around the property, you've got indoor and outdoor pools, sports court, playgrounds, and a ton of walking paths throughout the resort. There's putt-putt golf, EV chargers, free Wi-Fi, on-site dining, a guard shack at the entrance, and it's really spread out. The whole property has this quiet, historic vibe, so it feels more like a peaceful retreat than a busy hotel. Please note that as of 2026, they are in the middle of renovations of all the interiors of the units. They are doing new paint, cabinets, countertops, and flooring, and lighting fixtures. This is how all of the apartments are set up. You'll have one door that goes into two other doors, and then each unit has its own door. All of them are fully furnished apartments, washer, dryer, stove, microwave, full-size refrigerator, all the utensils, plates, cups that you could ever need. I'm a big coffee drinker, so it's important when we book something that I know it has a full-size coffee maker. And this one does. Both apartments we stayed in had full size. You walk around, this is your full-size dining room. It has a full living room TV. It is not a smart TV, so none of them, even the renovated ones, do not have smart TVs, so make sure you bring a Roku player. These rooms used to be the hot tub rooms. They are now just a seating area. It is not a conditioned space, so keep that in mind. You do have a patio with a table and chairs. When we come back in, this is going to be your main bedroom. It's got a small bathroom and a closet. The main bedroom is also where the safe is. Coming right out is the hall bath. This would be your second bathroom for the unit. It has a stand-up shower. Second bedroom has two twin beds and a closet. This is the coffee shop that is on property. There's also a restaurant. We did not try that. This is a great coffee house. The only downside is it does close every day at 2 o'clock. Glass bottles. Look, Jack, those are glass bottles they put upside down.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, that is the coffee shop right there. And they close at 2 o'clock in 5 minutes. I sure hope we can go in here. Jack, we might have to go through the front. No, that's the back, baby. I know, we got like 5 minutes. You wanna go see if it's open? I hear Yankee Doodle music. Oh, it's open. No running, no touching.
Can we go upstairs?
Yeah, we will in a minute, okay?
Who lives here?
No one lives here anymore, buddy. This is a house that somebody used to live in.
Even if we go up there, have it.
So, you got the blue room, you got the pink room. No, that's a modern amenity.
I'm not going in there.
Go down.
No.
Oh, we're going upstairs. Alright. Do this. Oh yeah, probably. I apologize at the lack of footage for this. I somehow lost some of the footage from this property. Overall, if you're looking for a place to stay in Williamsburg with great amenities, lots of space, very relaxing, this is a solid option. When we came in the winter, it was slow and they had a lot of construction going on. I will say that the rooms could be cleaner both trips, but it was nothing that a few Clorox wipes couldn't fix. Summer was very busy. We waited a while to get our room keys, but all the staff were wonderful. They even give you refills on soap, dishwasher, and even washer, dryer, detergent. All you have to do is ask. I definitely would go back a third time. We travel a lot, so I don't know how likely that is, but I definitely would go back to this resort. There is another Hilton Vacation Resort that we did not go to just based off of a lot of the reviews. This was the better one, and I can see why. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and as always, go have fun.